Hello everyone, this is Priya from Data Loves. Hope you all are doing very well. And today's our question is which is easy, data science or computer science? Which is easy, data science or computer science? So data science and computer science have a lot in common because they both require a lot of the same skills. However, computer science students are more interested in the theoretical foundation of how those languages work, whereas data science students only use computer science tools to analyze metrics. So I would like to tell you to all of you that we are going to start absolutely hands-on training on data science with Python from scratch, and one second batch is our data science with deep learning from absolutely scratch. And a student who is not belong to IT background, who is totally absolutely zero in coding, no worries about that, because we start the course from absolutely zero. So please join, and if you wish, you can register yourself to our Data Labs, and you can visit our website on Google, and you can search on Facebook too, and you can search on Data Labs on LinkedIn too. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much, and please subscribe my channel.